Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We've got lots of great stuff to talk about. We'll start it off by mentioning that we have a Janome ruler work event coming up this weekend. It's going to be Friday or Saturday, so you can choose which day you want to come. There is limited spacing left, so if you would like to join us, definitely call us and sign up soon, because we probably will be filling up here shortly. It is an all-day event. It's from 10 to 4, and we do have a special Janome educator coming, and we are very excited to have her. She's going to show off all sorts of awesome ruler work quilting designs. So here's an example of one of them. Going to be using these Westerly rulers right here. So lots of wonderful information, going to learn lots of great stuff. We will be providing lunch both days, so if you sign up and you have any allergies, let us know. But it's going to be super great. We also do have some special pricing on Janomes, so if you are in class and you decide that you love one of them so much that you want to get one for yourself, be sure to ask anybody in our machine department about those special pricing deals. You'll also get one of these awesome ruler kits for free if you do purchase a Janome, so you can keep that in mind. So everything you learn in class you can put towards your new Janome. So that's it on that. If you have any questions about the event, just leave a comment and we will get back to you as soon as we can, or you can call the store or come in, whatever you'd like. Okay, we thought we would also just highlight real quick our notion of the week. This week it's all things Tula. So all of our Tula notions that you see here will all be 20% off. So any tweezers or snips or scissors that you see here, even these fancy rotary blades cutters here, all of those will be 20% off. So definitely stop by our little notion of the week table here on your way in. We are also starting back up the kit of the week. So our kit of the week this week is Lakefront, which is this awesome quilt here using fabric from Wilmington Prints. And so it will be 20% off this week, so it's going to be a great deal. This one is a super fast project, so if you want to finish it before summer, maybe put it in your lakefront cabin. It is a fabulous, fast little project. Okay, we thought we would just mention right here, we do have all of our Easter stuff. Easter is coming up fast, so if you want to do any little Easter projects, we've got all of the cute little Easter fabric just right here. Got some panels, placemat panel. So you want to do a cute little Easter table display. We've got lots of great stuff to do that. Okay, and then just right around here, we have another new line. This one's from Clothworks. We'll show the panel first. Comes with this beautiful panel, lots of these gorgeous florals with some cute little sayings on there. Got some lavender, poppies, daisies. Very, very cute. And then to go with the line, or the panel, we've got the whole collection just right here. Lots of beautiful florals. Some really nice sort of blenders and textures. And then you've got the cute little word print, the text there as well. So we're super excited about this one. Very springy, so you know, as we get closer to spring, we're going to start wanting to use more of these gorgeous florals. So that one is just right up front here. And moving along around the corner here, we did just want to mention a little change that we did this past week. So all of our grunge from Moda is now under this table right here. So we've got a whole sort of rainbow of color around the whole table. All of our grunge is right here, and I will show you what we moved to the grunge section in a minute. But first, I want to mention we have a new sample to show you. So Miss Magnolia right here, which is the pattern from Chelsea Stratton Designs. Wonderful pattern. We have the fat quarters to accompany the pattern here because it's just fat quarters and background. So you would just need a bundle and then your background. And the finished sample is just right up here. So you can see it turned out so gorgeous. We love the two-tone look, very bright and colorful. They are batiks, so all of these colorful blocks that you see here and in the bundle, they're all batiks. So another great little element for this quilt. So beautiful fabrics there. Okay, and now I'll show you what we moved over into the grunge. So originally the grunge was right down this aisle across from some of our solids, and now it has all of our polka dots, stripes, and ginghams are all right here in this section. So we put all of them together, so if you're looking for polka dots, stripes, you can kind of go to one place to look for those. So just wanted to let you know of that switch so that if you walked down that aisle looking for grunge and it wasn't there, you know where it went. I've already done that a couple times, putting the grunge away. I just went right to that aisle, so we thought we would just let everyone know. Okay, and then coming around the corner here to Flannel, we have an adorable new flannel line from Riley Blake. This one is called Elmer and Eloise. You've got these adorable little bears, cute little woodland theme, some great dots that go with the collection. So there's this gorgeous green. You can see it's a very subtle dot. Great little blender print. So we're super excited about this one. Riley Blake does a really great job with flannel, so they feel very soft. It's going to be an adorable little baby quilt. We even did a little fat quarter bundle of this one. So you can make a cute little nursery blanket or little baby quilt. So we're super excited about this one. And we do have another kids line to show you, which is just right over here. It's right up top here. This one is adorable. It is also from Clothworks, and it is called Forest Ferns. You have more of these neutral color palettes with the adorable little animals on there. And then we did show off the Kalinda quilt last week using this line, Sweet Lullabies. You can see it's also kind of in that neutral color palette. So you kind of give you an idea of what that quilt would look like with both of those. If you want something more in that style, you could use this one. If you like the animals on here a little better, you could do those instead of the other ones. So very versatile. Okay, and moving through kids, we're just gonna hop over here really quick, go through our 30s section to get to the end here to show off a new line from Moda. This line right here is called Vintage. Like I said, it's a new collection from Moda. This is from Sweetwater. It's a very cute line here. Kind of that classic red, white, and blue, but it also has a bit of gold in there. You've got kind of all of these classic signs here. Love the different prints and wording on this one. Got some florals, some bunting, lots of amazing prints here. So we're excited to have this one and kind of do some fun little projects here. Very cute and classic feeling. Okay, and moving back around this way, we're gonna work our way up to the counter here, where we have a new line from QT. This one is called Endless Blues, which is kind of an ocean theme with focusing on the turtles. So you've got lots of adorable little turtle prints, got some wonderful shells and blenders in there. And then we do have a sample quilt here to show off, which we have a kit for. This one uses the panel, and it has all of the cute little turtles sort of fussy cut throughout here in this great little star block. We did a really wonderful soft cuddle on the back of this one. So it's very cozy, feels just really soft and wonderful. You can see we did some gorgeous sort of feather quilting on here, kind of wave-like. So that looks absolutely gorgeous. It is a nice throw size. So if I kind of hold it up here, you can kind of see the whole thing. And like I said, it is a kit. So we have the kit for it. We'll have it just right over back there in our novelty section. It's just this one right here. So you've got the pattern in there, the panel, and all of the stuff that you need to put the top together, including the binding. So we love a good ocean line here at the store. So we are excited to have one like this on display. A couple little reminders, the Janome event coming up this weekend. If you would like to sign up for that, give us a call. Like I said, there is limited spacing. So if you want to join, be sure to call us sooner rather than later. We would love to have you. We, like I said, have a Janome educator coming. She's going to be great. Her name is Kate. We're so grateful she's coming to show us some awesome ruler techniques. So be sure to call us if you want more information, or comment if you have any questions, and we will get back to you on that. Another reminder, we will be on Whatnot later today. And we're doing some, we're kind of mixing it up. We're doing some fun things with the mystery bags that we do on there that have some fun fat quarters. So if you want to join us on there, we're going to be on there at 4 p.m. Pacific time, so you can join us then. And yeah, I think that is it for today. But thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the little tour around our quilt shop. Be sure to comment your favorite line that you saw today, and we will see you again next Wednesday for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.